Hi everyone! We will walk you through the CS Cart QuickBooks Connector. It allows the store owners to sync their CS Cart customers, products, and order details with QuickBooks. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. In the settings of the add-on, we can choose the vendor and select a mode, such as Sandbox or Live. To obtain all the required credentials, such as the client ID, client secret, and shop name, we need to create a developer account. From there, we can add workspaces or access existing ones if already created. Open the workspace to get the key and credentials, including the client ID and secret ID. Simply copy and paste the client ID. From here, we can also obtain the client secret and enter the name of our shop, which is Webkul. After filling in all the credentials, we will move to the product settings. From here, we can choose the default category, such as electronics. Next, we can set the QuickBooks currency. We can also choose whether to export products, orders, and customers or not. Then, we can set the default QuickBooks product status to active, disabled, or hidden. Additionally, there is an option to enable or disable automatic syncing of all products, orders, and customers. After filling in all the credentials, we will move to the webhook settings. For this, we need to go to our developer account and navigate to the webhook section. There, we can view the Verify token and obtain the webhook key. After that, we will save our credentials. One important thing to note for the webhook is that we must enter the correct URL in the format index.php?dispatch/dispatch. After that, we will save our credentials. Here, all the configuration of the add-on is complete. After that, we will go to our website and open the QuickBooks Connector. From here, we can manage our QuickBooks account and add a new account. We can also select the vendor and the mode, Sandbox or Live. Next, we need to fill in the client ID, secret ID, and shop name. To get these details, we will log in to our QuickBooks account. Once we have entered the required information, we will proceed to create the account. It will redirect us to the Sandbox environment. From here, we can select a company, such as Sandbox Company US 1 or 2. For now, we will select Company US 1. After that, we proceed to the next step, Make Account as Default. Then, we will set our account as the default and authenticate it by selecting the company. On our developer account, we can view, select, or add a company from the Sandbox. From here, we can add our company, or we can see that 2 companies have already been created. We select the first one, and this becomes our QuickBooks account. Then, coming to our CS Cart panel, coming to another product, suppose we are adding a new product named Nike T-shirt, then we select the category, set the price, choose the image, enter the list price and stock, and then we create the product. As we can see, our product is successfully exported to QuickBooks. After that, coming back to our developer account, here we can confirm that our product has been successfully exported from our CS Cart panel to the QuickBooks panel. After that, coming to our panel, whenever a new customer registers themselves, it will also automatically sync to our QuickBooks. Now, register. Suppose the name is John Mark. Then fill in the phone number, email ID, and password. Then select the terms and conditions, then register themselves. Then the account is automatically created. After that, when we view customers on our developer account, coming to our developer account, then from the customer section, we can see the registered customer. So from here, we can see that our customer is successfully synced with our QuickBooks. Similarly, when any customer places an order, it will also automatically sync to our QuickBooks. Suppose a customer placed an order for this product. Add to cart, then checkout. After filling in all the credentials and selecting the payment method as phone number, we will select the terms and conditions, then after that, place the order. So, as our product is successfully placed, we can see the order details. Then, coming to our developer account and checking all the orders, we can see that our order is also successfully synced with our QuickBook. Similarly, when we create a product from our QuickBooks account, here are the options for the type of product we want to choose. Suppose we are selecting inventory. Then we give the name of the product. From here, we can select the category if we want to. After that, enter the initial quantity on hand and the date. After that, we can fill in all the details as per our choice: descriptions, price of the product, then cost, and then save. So our product, Green Leaf, is successfully saved. After that, coming to our CS card panel, from our add-ons, we select Website QuickBooks Connectors. From here, we can manage all our QuickBooks customers, products, orders, and all the customers, products, and orders of the CS cart. Coming to Manage QuickBooks Products, from here, we can see all the imported and exported products from our CS cart panel to QuickBooks. Coming to All QuickBooks Products, from here, we can import the product from our QuickBook. Suppose, as we have created Greenleaf, we will import this product. So our product is successfully imported from QuickBook, and we can see that these products are imported, or we can say exported as well. As we can see, the products are exported from CS Cart to QuickBook, and this product is imported from QuickBook to CS Cart. Can also import products in bulk by selecting the products we want to import. Now we can see that all the products are imported from QuickBooks successfully. Similarly, all the customers in QuickBook can also be managed. From here, we can see the customers who are registered on QuickBook. Suppose we are importing these customers, and from here, we can also see the ID. As we can see, the products are imported successfully, and we can manage the orders from here. Similarly, you can update products, customers, and orders seamlessly between CS Cart and QuickBooks in both directions, CS Cart to QuickBooks and vice versa. So that's all about this add-on. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.